In this video, you will learn about how to create a stock item. So let's start. To create item, select create, press enter, select stock item, press enter. This is the stock creation window. Some options are here configurable. It means you can enable or disable the options. If you want to configure the stock creation window, then press F12. Here you can set option as per your requirement. Suppose you need to part number for stock item, then you can set here yes. If this option will be no, then part number will be disabled. Here you can't see part number. If we enable this option part number, then you can see here part number. Just like same, if you need descriptions for a stock item, then you can set this option yes. So you can find here description options. Suppose you want some notes for your stock item, then this option you can on. Stock group or stock category, you can set here yes. If you need to measure of unit for a stock item, then you can set yes. If you need alternative unit for a stock item, for example 12 piece equal to 1 dozen, in that case you need to alternative units, so you need to set this option yes. Suppose you want to set standard buying and selling price, then you need to set this option yes. So you can set all these options as per your need. Suppose you want to set the GST for the product, then you can set this option yes. So after setting all the information, you will need to save this option by pressing Ctrl plus A or by pressing the enter button. After all the settings, this screen will be look like this. Now I am going to create a sample item. For example, laptop. Part number, whatever part number of product will be, then you can enter your part number for a stock item. Description, you can describe this item for your convenient. Suppose i5 laptop, under which group it falls. In previous video we have learned about stock group. So in which stock group it is belong to. So in this group, this stock item belongs to electronics item. So select electronics items. Category, there is no category available. What will be the stock unit? So in this case stock unit will be piece. GST applicable, yes or no? If some item has no GST, then press spacebar and select not applicable. But in this case GST is applicable, so I will select applicable. Set alter GST detail, set yes. Fill the desirable information. For example, electronic items, adjacent code. Whatever adjacent code will be for this item, you can mention here adjacent code. Is this item non-GST goods? No. On which label you want to calculate GST, like item rate or on the value basis? You can select here as per your requirement. I am going to select on value basis. This item is taxable or exempted or nil rated item. So this item is taxable, so select taxable. what will be the tax rate for this item? For example, 12%. So 6% CGST and 6% SGST will be automatically divided. Press enter. Type of supply. What type of supply it is? Goods or services? It means what type of this product? Goods or services? So it is goods. So I am selecting goods. Is there any opening balance of this stock? No. So escape this option and press enter to save. Item has been created. So how you can see? Escape, go to chart of accounts, go to stock items, press enter. You can see here item has been created under electronic item laptop. Okay, how you can alter? Go to alter option, press enter, select stock item. Which item you need to alter? Select that item, press enter and alter additional information and save it.